Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jaisha in case you are new here, and I'm going to show you how I do Bantu knots on this old straight hair to get some waves and body because it's on its last leg and I don't want to wash it just yet. So you're going to need a rat tail comb, some bobby pins, and a detangling brush or a wide tooth comb. I started by splitting my hair in half from ear to ear, and I put the front part up and out of the way so that I could work on the back. And I'm also splitting the back in half the same way and working on the bottom piece. I start by detangling the section of hair so there are no knots or tangles, and then proceed to do 2 Bantu knots in this section. Now, a Bantu knot is essentially a twist. It's your hair twisted around itself and then wrapped around until it's pretty much a knot. Bantu knot. So I usually twist the hair about halfway down and then start wrapping it around itself. And as you wrap it, you're twisting and wrapping at the same time. I'm twisting around my finger and then wrapping the hair around itself. And then you just take a bobby pin to secure the end of the knot. The best advice I can give you for doing Bantu knots is do not make them tight around your root. You want to be careful how much you're rolling, especially closer to your scalp. It can get very tight and uncomfortable, and you don't want too much tension on your scalp, especially if you're going to leave them in for a few days. Another tip, do not do this on wet hair. More than likely, 9 times out of 10, your hair is not going to be dry when you take them down. The hair can't dry when it's twisted and wrapped up, so be sure that your hair is dry before you do this. Trust me, I've been there and it's a fail. So this is the next day. I ended up with a total of 10 Bantu knots, and we're going to take these bad boys down and see what it's looking like. I took all of my pins out first, and then I unraveled each of the Bantu knots. So as I took the first few down, it's looking very promising. So I unraveled all of the Bantu knots and then I just began carefully separating each piece. And now this style did come out good, but to be completely honest, I would have preferred a little bit more volume, but straight hair is not really going to give you that now, is it? So I just picked it and played with it and fluffed out the roots as much as I could, and eventually did a side part, and this is what I ended up with. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can catch more of my hair videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.